Welcome to readtheticker.com. Straight up guidance for newbies to make money in the stock market. Not investing, not trading, just simply making money. Everyone pretty much under 100 million, that's all of us. We're basically retail traders. Firstly, I'm going to assume that you are a Bushman. You've just walked down from the hills, your name is Ralph, and you know nothing. And you ask me straight up, how can I make money in the stock market? This is my response. To explain to Ralph, the Bushman, how to make money in the stock market, with a volatile share price, I asked him to consider what he expects a snake would do when he meets one. Ralph said, a snake will either run away, that's the stock price going higher, sneak into cover, that's the stock price going sideways, or attack, that's the stock price going down. I said to Ralph, it's the same with price action in a stock. You need a method to handle the snake's response, or similarly the price action of a share price. Ralph said he uses his bush skills to handle the snake. I said to Ralph, you need to convert your bush skills into stock market skills to make money in the markets. As simple as that. So we sat down and had snake for lunch. When Ralph the Bushman saw this image, he said it looks like a snake trail in the sand. And Ralph got it. Master the behaviour of price action and you can make money. I'll leave Ralph now to ponder his stock market education. You see in front of you a Standard & Poor's chart. Top 500 companies between 2010 and 2013. Price action can go sideways, go down, and it can go up. Here's a test for newbies. Go to bigcharts.com over the next month or two. Pick any stock, pick a few stocks. Then pick a buy point. I don't care how you pick a buy point, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, stock tips, newsletters, whatever. And in the next 20 days, maybe 30 days, if your stock price goes 5% higher, then that's a win. You're a master of stock market direction. Any other pick that's under 5%, or a loser, or gain of 2%, or minus 10% is a fail. After that period of time, add up your winners of 5% or greater and work out a percentage. This is your performance here. To master stock market with direction, you need at least a 70% pass rate. A 50% pass rate is win some, lose some, and balance out and not make any money. You need to win enough to pay for your losses. Yes, it is true, you can have one win that pays for many losses. But for a newbie situation, it's pretty hard. If you have a low percentage score, and you're under the 70%, most likely you're around 50% or less, which is no better than tossing a coin. You win some, you lose some, and your winners pay for your losers and you're not making money. The response for success is strategy. The lower the score of picking direction, newbies should consider trading stock option spreads which are non-directional, loss limiting, and probability based. If you're very good at picking direction, you should still consider stock option spreads with a balance of picking direction using stock options as well. Resources for stock market strategy. The best sites on the web for non-directional general option education and readtheticker.com Googling experience or education would have to be Tasty Trade under Tom Sosnoff and Option Alpha. Both these sites show how to make okay returns, 10 to 20%. They give a good education on the risk, how to handle option setups, different types of strategies, and they show real people making real money. And what's more, you can see newbies turning their account around from zero to better. For directional trading, obviously we rank ourselves up there at readtheticker.com. There's other sites like Chart Patterns and Joe Famey, I think his name is. Now, readtheticker.com, we're trying to be straight up here. If you're starting out and you don't know anything, it's a graduation process before you get to the upper echelons of trading. With references to the websites quoted under resources, I've ranked them under direction of skill. Right at the bottom, we have 0%. This means you need no direction skill whatsoever. At the top, we have 50% plus. These are websites or services that help you with trying to get direction better than 50% of the time. So for complete newbies entering the game, Tasty Trade using a probability base, using duration of an option spread of selling premium is better selection than direction. For example, they would place a trade of a condor where price has to stay in a range. As long as it doesn't go too high or too low, it stays in a $5, $10 range, they will make money because they're selling premium. Option Alpha has the same sort of approach as Tasty Trade, but they do take into account a bit of direction. Joe Fahmy, I think his name is, do not use options, but they are very directional and rely on bull markets only to make money. Dan Zanger is also a bull market trader, with a few positions in bear markets, I must quote. readtheticker.com, it's us, of course. We're very much a position trader. We are big on direction. We personally use options, non-directional and directional trades, but our site's designed around trying to master direction. I have to restate that we're addressing newbies here. And the newbies who can't pick a stock to save their life. They can't pick a stock to go up, they can't pick a stock to go down, and when they do pick a stock, it just goes sideways. To make money, I believe newbies should learn how to first learn to do non-directional trading, using probability over duration. And as they learn more, you will graduate up the ladder of directional trading. And you can learn more from Option Alpha, Joe Fahmy, and Dan Zanger, and chartpatterns.com. However, we think that readtheticker.com is a great source of directional trading. We have our RTT market timer that helps us with our positional trading. As you notice, we've shot from the hip here. We have not promoted readtheticker.com as a one-stop shop for stock market success. There are many skills required. Option trading, directional, non-directional, trend determination, stock market implied volatility understanding. We at readtheticker.com use a Wyckoff, Gann, Hurst and Livermore skill set for reading the tape. We may not be the first website you use to learn the stock market, but we hope once you start learning to do both directional and non-directional trading, that when you want to enhance your returns, you'll come and join us in your stock market journey. Thanks for watching.